Hey, y'all. I know this is kind of a strange time. These are completely different circumstances than any of us have ever faced before. You are the first wave of high school students to ever be asked to receive their education through online means only. And there's no one better to equip it to do it than you guys and your classmates. You can do this, and I expect by the end of this, you will all be better people and students whenever this all ends. So here's the plan. We will continue AVID the best way we can online, utilizing the tools we have gone over previously, Google Classroom, Notability, and potentially a couple more we haven't used. I will be as available as possible to you if you have any questions, and I have 2 hours of office time each day, from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. During those times, you're guaranteed to be able to reach me. But other times, if you reach out to me, I can probably respond pretty quickly. I'm going to have you sign up for Remind where you can reach me through text messages instead of email. And you're going to do that here under what to expect from here. You're going to text this to 81010. And yes, this is a different Remind group than the one I use for parent teacher conferences. So you need to sign up for this too. These are the rest of the everything you kind of need for this week and beyond for online learning. Um, Take a look through each one of these. Each one of these has a video attached to it. So that'll explain what this is, such as community service questions, Avid Wicker Bingo, the discussion board for this week, and then the 2 assignments I have for this week as well. So kind of go through these. If you have any questions, you can send me a message or remind or email me. Any of those would be great. Make sure you check Classroom every day. I will post the week assignments instructions every Monday. And remember, turn in every assignment. Make sure you hit the turn in button. The only way I'm going to know that you actually watched this video and signed up for Remind is by hitting turn in, and then I can see you signed up for Remind. So make sure you do that for every assignment, all of these. Okay, make sure you hit turn in. That's the best way to communicate with me on a daily day basis, and then I can provide feedback to you as quickly as possible. All right, we'll all get through this together. I believe in you guys.